I'm here inside the duty free. Yan pala may elevator yun. Nasakit ka pala yung elevator. Kung marami kang dala elevator. Hindi ko napansin yun. Oh bloody, like a sombra. Naghihintay na lang kami ng tawag ng aeroplano. Escalator. Woohoo! Nairaos din. Pasok na lang ko ng na-check in na yung mga bagahe. And so sa mga security guard nakapasok na rin. Salamat naman. At walang aberya. Okay. Hindi kami papasok. Yun o. Doon ako papasok sa gate 8. Yung gate 8. Ayan. Philippine Airlines. Ayan. Nag-check tayo. Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng waiting area. We're just gonna wait until they called us to for boarding. Here. Waiting for another like what? 1.5 hour. Because some of the passengers probably are still outside. Checking in. Well, napunta kami dito na medyo maaga-aga, just a bit of, earlier. So, alam na. Kaya waiting. Itong waiting area nila yun. Walang tao. Wala pa yung mga, kung H6 wala yata eh. Mostly doon sa kabila sa A8. Puro mga Pilipino, of course. We are all going to the Philippines. All of us. Right? I'm gonna do it 5 minutes though. This is gonna be my first time to go back home in the Philippines for vacation again. After more or less 20 years, I never been, because what I did is just like hanging around in America, something like that. Now, I'm here. Going back home. Ganun makita natin doon sa ating pupuntahan. God bless everyone na lang tayo. At maraming salamat. Salamat sa Diyos. Nairaos ang ating unang lakad. At we're still in the waiting room. Alright? So, sabi nila, we have to shut down the data of this when we get there in the airplane. So, we're gonna do that. Here comes the haba ng buko. Haba ng buhok. Laki ng mata. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? And I say yes. Okay, tama na po.